There becomes a moment when understanding stops and righteousness begins. It feels like clarity. It feels like relief. It is neither. See, moral certainty simplifies the world. It turns complexity into alignment. It turns ambiguity into threat. Questions character flaws. Once something becomes morally settled, it no longer needs to be understood or examined. That is its power. Now, curiosity moves outward. Certainty moves inward. Curiosity asks, what conditions produced this? Certainty declares, I already know what this is. The shift is subtle. Nothing sounds different at first, but inquiry quietly exits the room. Certainty is not primarily intellectual, it's regulatory. It stabilizes identity, it resolves tension, it provides orientation without investigation. That relief is mistaken for truth because it feels like resolution. When morality hardens, a moral frame becomes dangerous. It cannot tolerate examination. When outcomes no longer matter as long as intentions feel pure. When harm is reinterpreted as necessity or righteousness or someone else's fault, at that point, morality stops guiding behavior and it starts justifying it retroactively. Unexamined moral certainty narrows perception, it reduces listening, it accelerates judgment, it replaces understanding with sorting. Good and bad remain intact, reality does not. Olympic levels of jumping to conclusions. Morality is not the enemy of intelligence, but when morality answers questions before they are fully asked, it becomes an endpoint instead of a compass. If something here feels familiar, that recognition is not guilt, it's an opening. Good luck with that.